Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, I'm Evelyn. I absolutely love thrifting. It's definitely like my go-to when it comes to shopping for anything. If I need anything, I always go thrifting first. If not, then I buy something. And so for this video, I just needed a few things for the house. Plus Marcus needed some shorts, like gym shorts and stuff. So it was just easier to go thrifting. And while I was there, I definitely got a little bit more than I should have. But I won't defend myself. I shouldn't have bought all of the things I did. So let's get started. I'm so excited with all the things that I found. Like thrifting for me is like such a thrill because you go out, you get things for a great price, plus like finding the things that you know are like personal to you, like this is you. It's the best feeling ever. For me, it's always something like wicker or floral or just really cute. So anyway, I got all the things. Let's get started. So I went to Goodwill and Salvation Army. So I'm gonna start with the Goodwill, no. So I'm gonna start with Salvation Army just because I got 2 things from there, nothing crazy, or I guess 3 things from there. So one of the things that I got from Salvation Army was this cute little wooden like tray. It was only 99 cents. It wasn't labeled, and then when I got to the cashier, they were like, oh, it's just 99 cents. So I was very, very excited about that. And it's just super cute. It's such a simple thing. You can use it for decoration, which is what I plan to do. Put it like in the middle of the table or on your desk and then put like a plant on it. It's an extra small detail, and why not? It's 99 cents. So this is very cute. And then I could not pass up on this, guys. I honestly don't know what I'm gonna use it for, but like, look at this color. Literally when I was at the store and I showed my sister this, like that's all I said. I'm like, look at this. And she didn't understand. But I hope someone out there understands. Like, look how pretty. Like, it's so pretty. Like, this is my favorite color. Like, I have either like a peach, gold, rose gold, pinkish favorite color. Like, I don't know what you would call it. But anything in this world of color is just, it's so cute and it brings me so much joy. So I definitely had to get it. It was only, let's find out. It was okay. So it was both of them for $4. So like, I don't know about you, but like that's nothing. And they have these little handles. So I think I would mostly use them for like whenever I have guests or something, maybe like dip, chips, I don't know, sides. It doesn't matter. I will make these a thing and I will use them, and they're precious. So very excited about all of my Salvation Army finds. Then Goodwill. The Goodwill in my city is so big, so I got so many things, but the only downside is they are definitely a little bit overpriced. If you guys saw my thrift with me for my wedding video, somebody commented on that and they said, wow, your Goodwill is very expensive. And I definitely agree with you. But you know, there's still some things that are good finds, and even if it's expensive for Goodwill, it's still way more affordable than another store. So, you know, you win some, you lose some. So let's start with this because it's like the same exact thing that I got at Salvation Army, but I couldn't say no. My sister actually found this one at Goodwill because she recognized the same thing that I had previously. So she's like, you might like it. And I did. Definitely love it. It's the same exact thing. I'm gonna use it for the same exact thing. This one was $198, but it's a different color, so it's nice. Plus, they're very pretty for photos, so they're not just gonna be like in my house. They're gonna have multiple uses. Like I already did a photo with it this morning with my essential oils, and it was a really pretty like flat lay. So it already has its use, which is great. Super cute. I got this tiny little white bowl. I think this one, I'm not sure if this was from Salvation Army as well, because the price, oh no. Yeah, I think this was Salvation Army, sorry. This was $3. Very cute, it's just like a little bowl. I can put my jewelry in here, I can use it for decoration, put it on the counter. So many uses for this. Not sure how I'm gonna use it just yet, but it's pretty. Okay, and then my favorite thing that I found at the store, and you would have seen it in the video because I filmed the whole collection because there were so many of them and I wanted them all, but realistically I didn't need them all, and it would have been very expensive to buy it all separate. It would have been nice if it was like a big like collection price, but it was not. So I picked the ones like my favorite pieces, and it was so hard. I literally stared at that like section for a very long time. But I ended up picking this cute little bowl. Oh, I don't know if it's gonna focus. Let me take my face out of the... So that's the bowl. It has this cute little floral design, plus the color itself is like a very faded peachy cream color, and it's beautiful. This one's a bowl, and I plan on using this for decor, either again on a desk or something, but I just feel like it's gonna fit more in the kitchen. So I'm gonna most likely put it like in the middle of the table, put some fruit, or I don't know, something in here, which I'm most likely gonna be veggies or fruit. Then I got these two little mugs with the same design. Like, it's so precious. They're so precious. I've already used both of these. Oh, did I tell you the price of the other one? This was $5.98, which, you know, again, it feels a little overpriced, but it's okay. And then the little mugs were only $1.98 each. I decided to only get two because it's just Marcus and I for right now, and so honestly, we don't have space for more. Marcus would have killed me and been like, well, where are we gonna put these things? So I was wise, and I took a moment and I only got two. So I'm very proud of myself. I should have gone four, but again, not needed. Then I also got this matching, like, I don't know, like pitcher, and it's so precious as well. Same thing, same color, all part of the set. This one was also $5.98. It's a little overpriced, but so cute. This I'm definitely going to use for decoration. There's really not much you can use this for. I mean, I can pour stuff from this, but mostly I bet you I'm going to end up using it to water my flowers and plants, because it's just so cute, and I love watering my plants and making it like an experience, and with something cute like this, it just makes me even more happy. So can't wait for that. And then the last matching piece that I bought to this collection are these cute little glasses. So it's the same exact thing. I don't know if I'm out of the way so you can focus. Oh yeah. So it's the same thing. It's nice and cute and florally, except for this one's glass. So these are gonna be so cute just for Marcus and I to like enjoy whatever we want to enjoy. They're so cute, honestly. Like, they're so precious. And again, there are so many more, but I got two because not anything more than that would have not been needed. And then this cup. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at this cup. It's so cute. I'm sorry if nothing's focused. I can't really tell. I'm just like assuming it's working. But this one was also $1.98, super cheap, and my favorite thing in the world. It's so pretty. The details on this little cup plus the shape just makes everything so much more enjoyable to drink. I've already used it for like every single thing that I drink. So iced coffee, my kombucha, lemonade, like with a cute little pink straw that I have. The little things in life that make me so happy, so I cannot wait to keep using that little cup. Pretty much the only thing that I really needed was this, and I'm very glad that I found it, but I needed another basket. And you may wonder, Evelyn, do you really need another one? You have so many. But yes, I did need another one. This was $5.98, not a bad price because it's huge. And I'm gonna use it for my kitchen storage because we don't really have much storage. We have open shelving, and it's getting out of control. It's so messy to me. I don't like it feeling cluttered. So what I'm gonna do is try to put all the clutter in here to hide it and make it cute. So I will show you guys what I mean, but really excited that I found what I needed because this is really the reason why that I went. So my trip did not go to waste. And then last but not least, I think it's the last. No, actually it's not the last. But let's see how much more. So I got this really cute, what's it called? Laundry basket. So it's so big, as you can tell, like I'm literally like hugging it right now, but I love it. It's so cute. I love anything wicker, and it's really good quality. Like it's like really sturdy. So I'm not upset at the price, but you know, I would wish it were a little bit cheaper, but this one was $14.98. So I pretty much could have gotten this anywhere else for the same price, but it's fine. I ended up getting it because I needed it. So freaking cute. It matches my whole entire house. And then I forgot to show you guys this glass that I also got. Super fancy, I think, because of the bottom, how like it's just thicker. And I don't know, for the aesthetic, I actually absolutely love this cup, and I got two, but I'm going to show you one because I already started using it. It's in the sink. $1.98 each. Definitely so happy with this one because I saw one. Like, I was looking at the glasses because I needed like a glass similar to this. Like, I knew I needed it. So I went intentionally to look for this. And there were so many options, but not really my favorite. I like minimal. Most of them had like little designs, and I was like, they're okay. Then I found this one, and I'm like, I love this. I need two. Like, I have to have two. You can't just have one. But there was none around it, and so I spent a very long time looking for it. My sister was helping me, and she kept showing me things that are not this exact cup. I don't think she got like the point of what I was saying. Like, not a similar cup, but the exact cup, because she didn't think that it existed. I'm like, no. When you thrift long enough, you know there's always two, or there's a high possibility of having another one. So I looked everywhere on that shelf, and it may have taken me a little longer than I wanted to be there, but I got two. So I was very proud of that moment. My sister was very proud of me too, and said, wow, you are really a thrifter. And I'm like, thank you. So yeah, pointless story, but so happy I ended up getting two. And then I ended up getting this for Marcus. If you guys saw my last video as well, for some reason, every time I go thrifting now, I see something similar to this, and I always get it for Marcus because he loves anything with like Japanese, or I'm not exactly sure what lettering this is. I'm sorry if you know, I don't want to assume, but so beautiful. And this was only $3.98, great price. It's just so pretty, and just definitely Marcus's thing. He loves lettering like this. And yeah, we already have one. It's like black, and it's so pretty from the last time we went thrifting. So very excited about this. I guess this can be like a thing now. If I ever see one at a thrift store, I'm gonna get it. Well, hopefully, if I have a spot for it. I don't want to be excessive. And then for Marcus, I also ended up getting this really good find. So Marcus and I kind of often go like somewhere for just like a weekend trip, because he plays at churches and things like that. And then I don't really like to lug a huge suitcase around, and I have a weekend bag and he does not, and he doesn't love mine anyway because it's very like girly. So I'm very excited that I found this. But I found a very similar weekend bag, but for him that's more manly. It's literally just a simple like leather pleather bag, and it's so cute and very spacious and super convenient. We really needed this, and this was $10. So not bad, but again, I feel like this is why this trip I feel like I got too much, because of these two pieces, the 15 and the 10, definitely boosted up that price like real quick. And then yeah, I got Marcus a few gym shorts. You don't really have to see those. Yeah, and that's everything, I think. Yeah. All right. Woo. So that's everything for this trip. Not too much, but not too little. The perfect amount, I think. And everything was relatively great priced, and I'm just so happy with everything. I cannot wait to finally be able to use all this now that I've filmed the video and showed you guys everything. And I hope that you guys enjoyed shopping with me and just hopefully getting inspiration and going thrifting yourself, because the best thing in the world, guys, let me tell you. And so yeah, I hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. It definitely helps my channel, and I very much appreciate it. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.